This episode explores the Nagant M1895 revolver, a weapon that defined late czarist Russia with its gas-sealed design. From its inventor Leon Nagant to its adoption by infantry and elite guards, the pistol's secrecy and reliability shaped battles. Its ingenious gas-seal cylinder, unique to a revolver, reduced muzzle blast and kept the action cleaner under harsh winter campaigns. The Nagant's legacy extended beyond czars, influencing espionage lore and collectors who prize historical accuracy over modern firepower. Subscribe to dive deeper into forgotten arms and the leaders who wielded them, and turn on notifications for fresh episodes.